Welcome back to our channel. If you're searching for a versatile welding machine that can handle multiple processes with ease, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the 7 best multi-process welders that can elevate your welding game, whether you're tackling small DIY projects or professional tasks. Let's find the perfect welder for your needs. Number 1. FORNEY 140 MP Multi-Process Welder. Starting with the FORNEY 140 MP Multi-Process Welder, this unit stands out for its exceptional versatility and user-friendly design. Capable of performing MIG, stick, and TIG welding, it's a great choice for those who need a multi-purpose machine without breaking the bank. The FORNEY 140 MP is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. It features an intuitive control panel with easy-to-read settings, allowing you to switch between processes with minimal hassle. The machine operates on a standard 120V power source, which means you can use it in a variety of settings, from home garages to job sites. Quality is a hallmark of this welder, with a robust build that ensures durability and longevity. The arc performance is smooth, providing a clean weld with minimal spatter. The variable amperage settings give you precise control, enhancing your ability to tackle different materials and thicknesses. Overall, the FORNEY 140 MP offers impressive versatility at an affordable price, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and small-scale projects.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Lincoln Electric 90i Welder for small jobs. Next up, the Lincoln Electric 90i Welder is designed specifically for smaller jobs and light-duty applications. This compact unit excels in MIG welding, making it a reliable choice for beginners and those who need a straightforward, portable solution. The Lincoln Electric 90i is powered by a 120V input, allowing you to plug it into any standard household outlet. Its lightweight design and small footprint make it highly portable, perfect for on-the-go welding tasks. The machine is easy to set up and operate, featuring a simple control dial for adjusting the wire feed speed and voltage. In terms of quality, the 90i delivers consistent performance with a stable arc and minimal spatter. It includes a Flux cord wire setup, eliminating the need for a shielding gas, which adds to its convenience. While it may not handle heavy-duty tasks, it's ideal for small repairs, crafts, and home improvement projects. The Lincoln Electric 90i is a solid choice for those who need a reliable, easy-to-use welder for smaller jobs without investing in a more complex machine. Number 3. Miller 907757 AC/DC Multiprocess Welder. The Miller 907757 AC/DC Multiprocess Welder is a powerhouse that brings flexibility and high performance to the table. This unit supports MIG, TIG, stick, and arc welding, offering unparalleled versatility for various applications. One of the standout features of the Miller 907757 is its advanced inverter technology, which provides excellent arc stability and energy efficiency. The machine offers precise control over welding parameters, ensuring optimal results for different materials and thicknesses. It operates on both AC and DC power, making it suitable for a wide range of welding tasks. The design of the Miller 907757 is rugged and durable, with a robust metal casing that can withstand tough working conditions. Its user-friendly interface includes a digital display and intuitive controls, simplifying the setup and adjustment process. Durability and effectiveness are key strengths of this welder. It's built to handle both light and heavy-duty projects with ease, making it a valuable addition to any workshop. If you're looking for a reliable, multi-purpose welder with top-notch performance, the Miller 907757 is a fantastic choice. The number 4. LOTOS TIG 200 AC/DC AC/DC Stick/Arc Welder. Moving on, the LOTOS TIG 200 AC/DC AC/DC Stick/Arc Welder offers a high degree of flexibility with its TIG and stick welding capabilities. This machine is designed for professional welders and serious hobbyists who need a reliable unit for a range of welding processes. The LOTOS TIG 200 AC/DC features an advanced inverter design that provides excellent arc stability and precision. It operates on both AC and DC power, which allows you to tackle a variety of materials including aluminum, stainless steel, and carbon steel. The welder's high-frequency start ensures smooth and reliable ignition every time. Durability is a key feature of the LOTOS TIG 200 AC/DC, with a sturdy construction that can withstand rigorous use. The unit also includes a foot pedal for precise control over welding current, enhancing your ability to perform fine work and complex welds. This welder is equipped with a comprehensive set of features, including adjustable pulse width and frequency settings, making it highly effective for various applications. Whether you're working on intricate projects or heavy-duty tasks, the LOTOS TIG 200 AC/DC offers the performance and versatility needed to get the job done. Number 5. VEVOR Flux Core/Gas/Solid Wire MIG Welder. The VEVOR Flux Core/Gas/Solid Wire MIG Welder is a versatile tool designed to handle different welding processes with ease. It supports MIG welding with flux core, gas, and solid wire, offering a range of options for different materials and applications. This welder is equipped with an adjustable wire feed speed and voltage settings, allowing you to fine-tune your welds for optimal results. The VEVOR MIG welder operates on a standard 120 V power supply, making it suitable for home workshops and small-scale projects. Quality construction is evident in the VEVOR MIG welder, with a durable metal casing that ensures longevity and resistance to wear. The machine also features a built-in thermal overload protection system, which prevents overheating and extends the life of the unit. Ease of use is a significant advantage of this welder. The setup is straightforward, and the controls are intuitive, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced welders. The VEVOR MIG welder delivers consistent performance and reliability, making it a great choice for a wide range of welding tasks. Number 6. Hobart 500,578 Multi-Handler 200. The Hobart 500,578 Multi-Handler 200 is a versatile multi-process welder that excels in MIG, stick, and TIG welding. Designed for both professional and hobbyist use, it provides a range of features to tackle various welding applications. The Hobart 500,578 is equipped with a durable, heavy-duty construction that ensures reliability and longevity. It features a digital display that allows for precise control over welding settings, including voltage and wire feed speed. This ensures consistent performance and high-quality welds. One of the standout features of this welder is its multi-voltage plug (MVP) system, which allows you to connect to both 120 V and 240 V power sources. This flexibility makes it suitable for different work environments and projects. The Hobart 500,578 also includes a robust wire drive system and a high-quality torch, which contribute to its overall effectiveness. It provides smooth, stable arcs and minimal spatter, making it a reliable choice for both light and heavy-duty tasks. Overall, the Hobart 500,578 Multi-Handler 200 offers excellent performance and versatility, making it a valuable addition to any welding setup. Number 7. ESAB EMP 210 Multi-Process Welder. Last but not least, the ESAB EMP 210 Multi-Process Welder is a top-tier unit that supports MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Known for its advanced features and robust performance, it's a great choice for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. The ESAB EMP 210 boasts a powerful inverter technology that delivers consistent, high-quality welds. It features a user-friendly interface with a digital display and easy-to-adjust settings, allowing you to fine-tune your welds for various materials and thicknesses. Durability is a key aspect of this welder, with a sturdy, well-constructed frame that can withstand demanding use. The machine operates efficiently on both 120 V and 240 V power supplies, providing flexibility for different working environments. The ESAB EMP 210 also includes advanced features such as adjustable pulse settings and a built-in hot start, which enhances performance and versatility. Whether you're tackling intricate tasks or heavy-duty projects, this welder offers the reliability and efficiency you need. In summary, the ESAB EMP 210 Multi-Process Welder is a high-performance machine that delivers excellent results across a range of welding processes. Thanks for joining us as we explored these top multi-process welders. Whether you're a professional welder or just starting out, these versatile machines offer a range of features to suit your needs. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more details and where to buy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and welding tips. See you next time.